light panel. I had to sit on there just to get an idea what it'll look like. But once I get it all back together, it'll start looking like a car again. That's just my strap on there, tied on there to keep my trunk lid down, so the wind doesn't mess it up. But it'll get there. I'm actually surprised that some of these stampings were this decent. This is AMD. I try to get everything AMD. Just nicer stampings. So I gotta cut this piece out here, and then this goes up under this. And then I have to fix this gap up in here, and it's got a little bit of ways.